no saya yugwe gwima no mana gima meu decum que no pogade uese o baba maragmo que no pogade etima eu no agmo ito en baba no uese o baba Ugbo egba ne o eno saya yugwe mana mana gima mi odekun ke nu gbogade wese o baba maramo ke nu gbogade etima e unu agmo ito e baba na o wese o baba Rinosa, where Rinosa, Rine Baba, Rinosa, when a big bana kinu boade, Rinosa, Rinosa, Rine Baba, oh, Rinosa, Uga la rioba, Rinosa, Rinosa, Rine Baba, oh, Rinosa. Bueno sauna neke no buade inosa rine baba rio inosa. Another music or another song from Zimbabwe. Yahweh, Yahweh, Yahweh. Yahweh, Muzombi yoboyakuya, Baba ni boboyakate, Muzombi yoboyakuya, Baba ni boboyakate, Yahweh. In case you don't know what it means, my Lord, oh my God, my God, my God, oh my God, you are the Lord of our Lord, you are the King of all King, you are the great Lord of Lord, you are the Kings of all Kings, my God. Just the meaning. Yahweh, 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 Muzombi yoboyakuya. Baba ni bobo yakate, Muzombi yobo yakuya. Baba ni bobo yakate, Yahweh. Jesu Christi, no yeno nyaewa, nyori oja, babe eleima. Omame no veo ruda eitoa no rema namo Juda Iscariot ohia owae ona hia owae ona munu so yo unu wamamie ivyewoa Owane yanje warwe owane yanje epita tame no nyawa owevo riri gaye baba owiga mundia na dori Jesu tie ona hamae owevo paketu vigbava owigba hanu rasine okiekie ire eni Jesu ehae wamagibege gosene igakmowe o baba igarowe o baba Jehovah Jerry sanojagbon jeyin ọgbà òyìnbó kìrẹ́dẹ́nẹ́ ẹ̀dẹ́nẹ́ ẹ̀dọ́wọ́nà bàbá Jehovah Jerry ló sànà jágbọ́n yẹ̀yìn ìyàngbá ò ìmàníà ló sẹ́dẹ̀ẹ́nẹ́. My amazing people, my mommies and daddies in the house, my loved ones, my all my Facebook family. I appreciate you. This music or this song is a song I learned back home, like back days at home. Like I was in chorister in Africa when I was at home. So I always say it in this very platform. I know how to sing despite my throat is deep and it's a little bit late here. I can't pick this song the way I wanted to pick it, but I just want to do this video and drop it in case for those of you that wake up early in the morning, so that you will come across amazing face or amazing music like this or amazing song, so that for the day, like half day before I come out in the middle of the day, you will use this one to be potpourri, like ebony, like loving. So my amazing people, this is Unique Orobosa Reality TV. Unique is my lifestyle. Orobosa is my name, my native name. And reality is what we do here. We talk about life. We talk about, like, we motivate life. We talk about reality characters, the good and the bad characters. And the TV inside is where you are seeing me that I can't see you. Thank you very much. That is my introduction about my life, about my name. Thank you. So guys, I'm so happy and I appreciate you all yesterday for a massive turn up. Like you guys are bomb. You guys are amazing. You guys are adorable. My ladies and gentlemen, all and all. Like, I'm not removing one. I appreciate you. I see Italy people watching, Canada, every part of the world. Like, you guys was just here. Imagine me yesterday. I was so happy. You can see the happiness in me. Like, I was just like, this is my dream coming true. Whatever you have passion for in life, you just go for it. Take fear of failure out of it. I always push it here. I do live presenting. Like, I talk, I come on live. We do presenting. From henceforth, I'll be bringing number in my presenting program so that you can call in whatsoever you have to contribute or whatsoever you have in mind. You want to speak or you want to talk about, we can talk it here the way it is, my people. This place is all about creating awareness. You can see the logo there. Thank God my logo just come out that same yesterday. Wow, like seriously, that's all I did. So you can see the logo out there. It's all about, this page is all about creating awareness, characters and behavior. Like, talk about good and bad character, good and the wrong character. We talk it here. The one you need to run from. Like, when you see some character in some humor, the one you need to beware, even if you don't run, like deviate, be careful so that you don't become a victim of the vampire out there, or the wicked one out there, or the jealousy type out there. So we talk about the good and the bad character, or the one I have too, like my own bad character. I always say it here. You know now, all those pepper body kind of people. So that one is my bad life, my bad character. Although it's not really the bad life and bad character, because I don't just carry the pepper body. I'm not a mad person. It's only when you oppress people. Like, somehow when I fight, I don't fight my fight, because when you try to oppress people in my presence or in my very face, like, I can't take it. I'm allergic to oppression. I can't just, like, I can't stand it. So I don't know, like, I just like, oh my God, this is not good. So fine, that is why I really react. Like, when I not react, I'm the kind of person, when I react, I'm not quick in reacting. Like, I have calm spirit. Like, I will calm a little bit. But if you not, like, overdo it, like, you want to take me for a shit, you want to take it, who is she? What can she do? That's when I react, and I react like, you don't want to see that side. So in this very page, my people, we're going to do it the way it is. We're going to take out all those, like, we are not here to, I just like it, because we are talking about character. For you guys that just come newly, you need to know about my character. If I stand in the front of you and motivate you, you know, to know the bad side of me before you go and hear out there, again, no. That is me. But Egbema Balo went there 14 years in this very country. I am nobody. can easily say, hey, this is I'm proud. I'm going to talk about a little topic in this very video. Be proud of yourself. Nobody can come out in this very city. From Africa to this place. And 14 years now, I'm still in the very place, this city I am. City of Spain, like a country, Spanish. I live in Spain. I have never come across anybody, or I've never mingled with anybody that we have query in any means or in any way. In as much women people body, I try by all means not to have problem, not to have no, that is not me. Umami me wa. Omo we me go go the no makeke enotaye when we wani. It really want to be talked to. That is me. I don't normally fall in trap because I have wisdom. That is the wisdom we're going to be sharing. I'm going to be saying, bringing it out. Words of wisdom, we're going to be typing from it. Like, I don't know how to explain this. I don't say that you that will come across this video don't have wisdom. Of course, you might have more than me. I might have more than you. You can see a video I did yesterday. I said, some of these are our sisters and brothers that is Tui Saga. I said, most of them, maybe they are better than me. Maybe me, I'm better than them. In different ways, I don't know which way. But in many ways, we are like better than each other. Maybe they are very good in that very place, or in the place that they are good. Maybe I might not be good there. That's why I use that words. The place me I'm good, they might not be good there. That is life for you. So my loved ones, my amazing people, stay calm in this very page. Don't go. Click the notification bell if you want to enjoy. I enjoy every part of this platform. Anything that come across to this like anything that comes to this platform. If you want to enjoy it, my people, always press the notification bell, like and follow, share, so that more people will come in to encourage me, your sister, your lady, your sister, your sister, your lady, your I don't know whatsoever where you take me, but just to encourage me. Stay tuned, always press notification, but in case I'm on live, you just notice and you join me. We say it together the way it is. I put my number will be from this month. I've never been putting number, but from this month, since we are now grooving, we are booming, we are a little bit much. So I'll be putting number. It depends how we turn up. If I'm on live, I'll put number. If you want to talk, if you want to contribute, I will do that. And that very show that you see yesterday is not going to end there, my people. It's not going to end there. It's not going to end there. I don't want to say much about that, but don't worry. This page, now me the runner. This page, now me Unicorn Officer Reality TV. There's something you have passion for. There is excuse me, let me explain. It's when you have passion for something, to do something, or something have been your dream, you are urged to do it. That's what you want to do. If you don't do it, your head will be ringing and thinking that thing. Many, your head will be repeating that thing same every time, every day. That there's a way you will do this kind of things. Things you are urged to do, things you have passion for, things you have never been not that you are forced to do it, not that you want to belong or you want to be or my mate they do I want to do. But if you really have passion for things, my dear, you do it and you know what you are doing. You do it and you do it right. You don't need to have the support of the whole community. You don't need to have the support of the whole people. If it's one person or two that supports you to be there, from there you can pick up. That's what we're going to do in this page. Yes, God in our side. Because in anything we are doing in life, let's always put God. With God in our side, we're going to be there. Yes, my people. I appreciate everyone that shares yesterday. Massive shares. I appreciate you guys. I appreciate you with all my heart. As for my lady, Festina Peter, you got my ear. I love you, my baby. Thank you very much, my lady. My amazing lady. My what will I call it? Spanish call it simpatica. The most simple, if not the most simple, let me not say the most. Maybe someone they won't see simple person, but among the most simple people on earth. I see you in there, my lady. You are simple, you are kind. For the first time, if you come across Festina Peter, you will run back. You will say, EJ, and I respect. No. She's kind. She's like, she get pepper body like me. Now that one be a bad side too. But she's really nice person. My lady, I appreciate you. You are nice indeed. Person when not nice, me if you see me see person, you gonna say this person nice finish. Yes, if the person fit still get your own small bad side, but you gonna say the good side when they reach 80%. Before you see me see person, you know say 20-30% na be the bad side, but the 70 they good for you see me see person. And so my own CB, my own not be Mr. Perfect, because nobody is perfect. My own, but at least it did among the best. And so I don't get anything to hide, my people. We're gonna be saying it to read the way it is. This very platform we create, like we talk about awareness of characters and behavior. You can see the logo there. Yesterday or 4 days, the logo just come out. I say, God, what God cannot do, it exists. Thank God. I appreciate God for everything yesterday. The thing was just like, oyegbe baba me o iye so many yegbe ko o oyegbe baba me o oyi many yegbe ko o oyegbe baba me yes so many yegbe ko oyegbe baba oyi many yegbe ko o oyegbe baba yes so many yegbe ko o oyegbe baba me bobo oyegbe baba me bobo oyegbe baba yes so many yegbe ko o oyegbe baba me bobo ona yegbe ko sa my people day. Anything you are doing in this life, always call God. Put God first. Before you call any other gods you are serving, put God. Because any other gods you are serving, it is God that is over all of them. God is the senior God. Yes. But indeed, there is no other God apart from Him. I appreciate Him. Tuale Baba. Uwesi. God, somehow, sometimes, some people will be looking at you from far. We will know how she will get there without our support, without our help. Not be this place again. We go see her, but God know how He used to do it. Yes, so a plan of a human is not the plan of God. No, that's why the English said, God, man purpose. He said, God is pose. What God have said in your life, if without Him, it can never come to pass. It is Him alone, like only Him that will make it come to pass. Nothing human declared in your life will come to pass without God have not permitted it. That is the word of God. You see the word of God said. He said, you shall declare the word that will come to existence or that will come to pass in your life. He said, whatever that is said on earth, like whatever you pronounce on earth, shall be signed in heaven. Yes, whatsoever you pronounce on this earth, that you said, God, this is what I want to become in life. This is what I want to do in life. If God does sign it, just if the thing is not working fine, just know that God don't sign it. Or in the other ways, it's 2 ways. Don't just give up. If the thing is not working fine and you know you have passion, you love what you are doing and you are doing it right, you are focused, you are not like doing it for evil, just ask God, God, why? And you will see if it's real, that is the permission of God that the thing is not working fine, or the other way around. So that is life, my people. My mommies and daddies, my ladies and gentlemen, I appreciate you. I don't know how to appreciate you. I already appreciate my lady Festina. I could not come line yesterday again. I have a little baby at hand. I have to take care of my baby. It's just a post I have to raise to appreciate you all. I decided, I said, normally every on the first of month, I always come to do prayer video. I always come to wish everyone that is going with my platform, like that is following my platform. I always will come to wish them happy birthday, anyone that is celebrating that very month. But yesterday was the detail of the program, the show, so I could not do that. So I decided to do it in this very video. You see the music I leave there, all those songs where I just na small. And because they do that, I cannot feel release my voice, still sing like the day one will sing again for now. With all this akara, like all this ashoke. This one, all this beat. This one na lace. So I'll come tie her like this as an African woman. I'll come put the music for her. Una do well, my people. Una want anything for me to do. Like some of una don't sleep by now. But me, I have to create content for you guys to entertain you guys. Please, and still doing this, still return, please. Because it is not a show of favor. No, but do me a favor. Share. Please. Share. I said, time when I think they create this content, so most of them don't they sleep. But I have to do this for you guys. But please, if you come across it, share for me, because even if it not interest you, it must not interest you. It must not find it like funny. It must not find it. It must not be the video I do now. It must not be for all of you. It must not be for everybody that is here on this platform. Tomorrow on or next tomorrow or because every day I promise and I pray I should be able to do like at least two video. If I come live once, I feel throw the next video come out, like do it and send it out. So I hope and I pray to be able to be doing it like that. So my people, as for me doing like putting effort to entertain or to make us learn together, to give you something that you will put in your brain, in your mind to learn from. Trust me, I will not give you anything that what, like the things that have not worked in my life, I will not bring it out. Either it works in my life or I have seen some of these things work in near or close people's lives. That is what I'm going to be giving out. Things we can learn from, things we will talk, like we used to learn, that we will be happy in for the rest of our life. That is what we're going to be giving out in this very page, my people. Please support me by sharing, like and follow this page. Share to your Facebook friends. Share to their inbox. Tell them, just write, follow this lady or follow my friend or anything you call me. Just like follow her on her page. She's doing well. You can do that for your lady, please. My brothers and sisters. Yesterday, a lot of Italian people was here. I appreciate you, Italia. Oje. Una do well, not too much. I appreciate every one of you. Okay, for the video not to be too long, let me quickly put the awareness of character inside. In this page, you guys know already what we do. By the logo, you will just know. I don't need to be introducing it every time now. Thank God the logo is already out and is there. So you just go across, like you check it, you see what we're doing. In this page, you're not going to regret the reason why you are here. No. We motivate lives. When I mean we do it together, because it's no longer for only me. It is we not Facebook. You see me always Facebook family. Yeah, that's what we are now. We are families. Precisely, we are of the same, like if not the same color or if not the same heart, but we are human. You are human like me. You are created by God. So that same year, I'm created by God also. So please, we're going to be doing it together. When I mean we or when I mean our, just know that I love you guys. That's why I include you guys inside. So in this very page, my people, we're going to be doing it You already see I introduced my name already. Unique Orobusa Reality TV. We're going to be doing it reality. Like we're going to be doing it the way you will love it. We motivate lives here. I'm gonna be bringing a number out so that whenever I'm doing topic, you can kindly. My topic is not just right and in a topic. I don't put it in topic. Like before or down my video, I'll normally put it topic. But now, when I want to raise posts that we have something to talk about this evening, I can easily put it like I put it in post. Like topic of today is so thing. But when I want to start the video, I will no longer put topic, I will put awareness. Because awareness is what you don't know, or what you know but you don't remember, or what you need to know that you don't know. It's just awareness. So it's awareness of characters and behavior. Awareness of good characters or bad character, or good behavior or bad behavior. So that you will not go and fall a victim out there. There is a lot of character, like devilish and bad one, that you need to learn. You need to know this kind of character, who to avoid their character. Like you don't avoid them, but you avoid their character. There's a way you can avoid people's character. I'll come and talk about that tomorrow or next. There's a way you can avoid people's character so that you, since how many years, which is 14 years I'm spending in this very Europe, in one country. Normally I go out, I come back, but I have never in my life, like, I've never had problem with anybody. Presently, this city I am since 14 years. So you're supposed to know, say, na character. I know how to avoid and how to be careful so that I will not fall in devilish and bad character out there. I know when to say, this is no go area, this is go area. So imagine since 14 years, people that know me, that is from my city, that live in the same city with me, they are here. I'm not a pathetic liar that I will know that people that is following me is here. I will just be saying it boldly. No, if they don't confront me, they'll be saying it over that. No, I'm not like that. When I say it right, I say it right. Since 14 good years in this very city, this Europe, I have no. Many people don't know me. Let me just be frank and sincere. If you saw Robusta, the few people who will say Robusta, okay, again enough money, okay, so what? So, but if you ask some Robusta, why Robusta? That is it. Because I don't me. Oh no bulama, oh no lele, I say you show me your body. I have a real although in another way around, your good can still make people know you. That is it. But if I say my good will make people know me, not be everybody I don't help for the city. So I not feel say everybody know me. A lot don't know me and a lot know me. When I mean they know me, they know like we come across each other and like that. Not like they know me in my life. No. That is it. So my people, I'm saying this for you to know that how long I have spent in Europe, I have not have a problem because I know when to avoid. If me be your advisor, no, why you employ me as your manager, your advisor. From generation to generation, you cannot fall in any like even if now I don't know what to say. I don't just want to spit it out because these days expo is not made to give out. Let me keep that. Let me reserve it. I will turn it to a topic for you guys. So my people, see, keep this page. Like and follow it. If you have not like and follow it, like. Keep on sharing our video until we get to that place we are supposed to reach. So share for me, please, and encourage me by sharing because this time I'm doing my video now. Some of you guys are already sleeping, but I need to drop something encourage for you guys to come across tomorrow morning. Please, do help me share. Only that you can do for me. Okay, my people, I appreciate all of you that was here yesterday and for new ones that is coming. My people, I appreciate you. And try and press notification bell. I will not have a lot of people numbers here in my community, and when I'm online, I will not see up to 10 people. Please encourage your lady. Press notification bell anytime I'm online. You just come in. If you they cook me, if I cook, I'll press. I don't need to put I will do what I do. If anything I do. So even if me they push car or they go for street, I go put video. If I drive, they go, I upload video. So all those things, I like you can listen to here if you don't have the time to watch. So my people, wanna try, wanna support me by pressing notification bell anytime online you come across my video. At least if you can't stay for that long, you can just quickly help me share. Say, okay, hello, I just want to share now. I will be watching it later. That one alone is encouraging. You are supporting me like that. Please do it for me, my people. I appreciate you all. We motivate lives here. We talk about things that will motivate us as a mothers, as a sisters. I don't care about age. Age is just a number. No matter, even if you like it, be come here and come and learn. Come here, come and learn. I remember those days when I was at home. My mom don't used to advise me. If I say, Mommy, from January to December, wherever advise me, oh, woman in there, because we're to advise me. I can still remember that. So, my people, let's do this together, please. Let's do it together. We can do it, but I can't do it alone. But we can do it by sharing, by liking and following this page. By any video you see here, you don't need to wait for me. Share. Press notification bell to pop in whenever I'm online. Please, my amazing people. I love you all so much. When I mean I love you, like I hurt you guys. If I don't hurt you guys, I will be here in the middle of this night and be doing video content to entertain you tomorrow. For you guys, not only entertain, but pick one of two words inside and encourage yourself with it. So before I proceed, my people, let me finish my introducing. In this page, the character we talk about, there is some character I can't talk. Oh, wait. I put them in movie. Put them in movie. That's why I do movie. I'm into moving too. I have managed to create few, which is in my YouTube. You can go to my YouTube, subscribe and watch. You already see the logo there, the same name everywhere. So any character that I can't talk here, I put them in movie. So we do motivating and we do character on episode. The one I cannot put in long movie, I put it in short clip. We do it. And I promise now we're not going to only be putting our clip or characters in Benin episode anymore. The one that fits Benin episode, we'll put it. And the one that fits English episode, we'll put it. That's how I'm going to be recording, like doing it so that our non-Benin adult people can still be like, they can follow up. I will not be doing only Benin or Edo one. I'll be doing English also. So thank you very much. Thank you for following this page. I appreciate you. Thank God I've already explained what this platform is all about. I've said it several times since. I remember I said I don't think I can reach 2 times since for this video what the platform is all about. I just want you, or I need you guys to understand very, very well. And another, before I go, I don't want this video just 40 minutes. It's okay. My people, in case you come across this video, be proud of yourself. A little message that is inside this video is be proud of yourself. Be proud of who you are today. Because according to Edo parable, precisely Benin, owe aeme, owe vaya zoe, ino no maga no aeme no igbo wola likma bono gene tom mogie. Be proud of who you are. Don't let the devilish people out there to downgrade your level of living. So don't let it. You see these days, people talks anyhow. People want to see you like in their lane. People want to make you do what you are not supposed to do in your life. You want to try to climb. People want to draw you down. Do not be in that lane. Try. I'm the one saying it. Try. No matter any country you are, no matter what you are doing, you are not the smoky type and you come across friends. Those kind of area I'm talking to. Like what I'm saying is concerning those area, not another area. Not what you think. I'm talking about me going with the wrong people in your life. That will make you go and be doing things you don't want to do. Or you are the kind of person that see your mate is doing and want to do and want to be. Anything you have passion for in life is what you're going to be doing. Anything you're going to be proud of, your children is going to be proud of in future is what you're going to be doing. Do not spoil your home name. Your family background is very important, like your own name. You that is watching me now, that will come across and watch, your own name is your family background. Your husband's name is your family background. Do not spoil it for your awaiting children or for your unborn children or for your own, like your own growth children. Don't spoil it. Do not spoil your name. I know that would like for your own to, don't accept it. If you're not the smoky type, you be man when not the smoke. Another man want force you to take on the smoke, or he want like turn you, or the day when you just carry a verse for yourself or something they go on for your life, you go see some men go just carry a gap for your mouth. Well, my bro, stay this one first. And because of the annoyance now, you are nervous, you are this, you just take it and be smoking it. You are not the type that drink. If you go to friends to club, before you know, you don't enter drinking type. You are not the type that womanize. Before you know, my mate, they don't want to. Do not do it. That's what I mean. do not do it. And you are not the type that flirt as a woman. Young ladies, married woman, my mate did one. I want to. Don't do it. Don't follow friend and one fall in the ocean. Never. It is not done. Let people. In fact, for me, for those set of people that don't have the same living, like line of living with you, you have to deviate. Nobody need to have the same character with you, no, because you are not born in the same womb. Even your own siblings cannot have the same character with you. But by the time you are mingling with people and you see the kind of dirty lifestyle is living, it is the one that will not. There are some people you are going with. If their character dirty, anytime when they take cash for their character, I won't boji here. I can't wait by they'll count you, like they will put you among our best of feathers now be. Anybody that out there that is like a woman that is not responsible, or a woman, I say, show me your friend, I will tell you who they are. That is life. That is what I'm trying to explain. Anybody you are mingling with, if the person life is like this, people will still look at one like this. If the person life is straight, people will still say, hey, those people not good there, they'll be shaken and move out of the city. But if they be cool and the war or the Benny or the most arrogant or the most wayward in the city, you will still see people. If you make with this set of people, they will still say, I treat a topic here. I say, if you are never a wayward person, you can't go with a wayward person. Except you are a similar or a semi-wayward person. That is the only place you have ever mingled with wayward person. Because I've never seen a wayward character is very pronounced, obvious. So you see that you think you see that kind of character. You can't tell me before you enter a wayward friendship that you have never sighted a waywardness in that person. And you choose to enter inside that friendship. When you now come out, you now be from far to say she's wayward. No, you were semi-wayward. You were once a semi-wayward. Except now you want to change. That is now you now clean yourself. Now go and wash that waywardness out of your life. If you were never a wayward, you cannot mingle with a wayward person. So anybody that is that have ever mingled with armed robber is a semi-armed robber. If you like, you never thief. If you left your hand, never take a normal common meat for soup, you never eat it, but you are a semi-thief because you have ever had something to do with thief. So you see this life. And there is some character, some like, there is some character I come across in life. When people have already do evil, they will say, hey, not be my fault. Oh, the person just manipulates me. That is a fake. If you have never have evil mind, if you have never a wicked and a jealous person, you cannot just jump into character. Because for me and you, we both know that maybe what the person was doing or the kind of lifestyle the person was living, not that you don't know that is not good, but because you are jealous, evil, and barbaric, that is why you hook up. You were able to hook up with a person or with anybody, then it is not when like the thing is no longer going fine. You say, he manipulates me, he twists my head. That is a bullshit. Fine, you are no longer in the shoe, you are no longer in the ways, but it is fine that you are not a church person. You are in, behold, new things, all things are passed away. Me, I don't believe in like, hey, I don't know as it is. No. My dad used to tell me that anything you have ever, that's your blood, your character attracts any character like yours. Your character, if it's good, it will attract good people. We attract good person that have good character. But if your character is underlined with another bad character, that is what it will attract. Good character can never attract bad character. It is good character that attract good, and the bad attract bad. That is the truth. And very simple as ABC. Say you feel good though, and the person can't change you. Now you manipulate. That is a bullshit. That don't exist. That don't exist. whatsoever you like doing most. That is the kind of people you will see in your life. Like, it is you that will even go and look for them. Now you go even go look for bad people, because why? It is your, like, my kind of character now. If I see person come one-on-one, if I see character go with me, I think I go like me go with her. Because after I felt like that thing when they do, I will jump into the friendship. But if I don't like the thing when the person they do, say I mistakenly enter the friendship without me knowing, then if I not go fit take for them. If I see the character gas be, I go deviate, I go wrong. But by the time you like you just see the character, you pronounce her to you can't enter. Then you maybe the character not can go well with you tomorrow. You can say, hey, no, you will once a friend to a wayward person is a semi-wayward. Once a friend to an evil person is a semi-evil person. That is the truth. Nothing but the truth. Yes, my people. The way I say the truth, yes, that is the pure truth. So we have to be careful for who we may go with. Don't you see it bad days in Africa when a armed robber will be caught? They go say, this one won't be your friend. If they follow you, go say no. So I not can't take be friend. Go say, no, just not my friend. That one is a suspect also. They will still pick him. Not until days. Maybe we will not spend out of the days the male person will spend, though, but at least they will still accompany us today to the to station or anywhere. Like follow us, escort us reach there. They must follow, you must come taste for the sugar before you are be free. So behold, just like a character, I just need to say, if you see any evil character out there, my people, be careful. Be careful. Be careful for you not to go and follow victims. As I dey talk many characteristics for this my page, if you that come across my page as my friends, my followers, my fans, or my lovers, if you don't pick, please don't go and follow a victim out there. Don't look at me that is saying it. Who she be? I beg me they go. What did they talk? Now you know, no, don't look at that. Look at what I'm saying, my ways. Take it to help you. I love you all, my people. Let me leave you for now. See you again in my next video. My name remains Unique Orobosa Reality TV in all angle. YouTube, Instagram page, Unique Orobosa Reality TV. Peace off. Share the video. Let it go and meet whoever it gets to meet. Love you all. Leave your comments. Appreciate your lady for able to do this for you guys. Love you all. Bye. See you again on my next video.